The NS87 is one of our latest Bollards. It can be used in a lot of different places when it comes to pathway lighting. What is unique about this Bollard is that in the front we have an option to have, first of all, a vertical light distribution, which helps to give the even light on the pathway. But this head can also be versified to the other direction, so you have an option to have the light turned in both areas. That can even be, like, let's say that we have a pathway on each side, then you are able to have light on each of those pathways in a vertical way. You can also choose from the datasheet that you maybe have seen to have that same head move to another direction of the Bollard. And that helps to bring another lighting scene, which can maybe be useful in some kind of urban environments. When we look closer to the head here, there is a reflector. The LED is placed on the top, which is maybe seen on the camera. Maybe if you do not see it on the camera, you are able to look on the datasheet. But we have the LED on this area here, and then you also have a reflector. So the LED is pointing down to a reflector. The luminaire comes in IK10, which is great if you have a high vandalism possibility in the area. And then it also comes in various different rail colors. We would prefer to have the standard solutions, which is black, jet black. It can also be anthracite, it can be silver, and it can also be kind of a rusty lock. Because these kind of colors we can control with the C2 powder coating, which makes it possible to hold even longer when it comes to the UV and so on. So a really great luminaire if you're looking for a really nice even light, and if you also are looking for a luminaire that's actually quite beautiful.